As long as I've been doing nails, I come to realize that I have developed this two habit as time gone by as a nail technician. And I'm not sure if this just me or it also happens to you, but the first problem is drooling. Under the mask, we communicate a lot, we talk a lot, and sometimes we be spitting as we talk, and the masks tend to get really moist and wet with our saliva. But the worst part is that when the client and myself, we're not talking, we're just focusing on the craft. Sometimes I tend to have my mouth open without noticing, and I start drooling under my mask, and I don't even realize it. So that's one problem that I don't really share with the clients. I just kind of play it off. The second problem is gassing. Is it me or is some of y'all also develop a lot of gas for sitting down? And boy, I don't know. Throughout the day, I be gassing multiple times, and sometimes I be holding it in. And when I let go, it's a long one. And thank God for the drill. Every time I turn the drill, is my opportunity to let go. Every time I talk to the client, is my opportunity to let go. I mean, I find whatever opportunity where there's a lot of noises, that's when I really let go. And I'm not really sure if the clients hear me or not, because sometimes it does squeak. And I just play it off like it's the chair or it's the table or something. But I'm sure they don't mind as long as the nail looks good. But that's the two problems that I'm starting to face as I age.